Why are parent, child, and sibling nodes important in the DOM? Imagine building a family tree where each member has a specific role and relationship. In the world of web pages, the Document Object Model, or DOM, is like that family tree. It organizes everything on a web page into a structured hierarchy of nodes. These nodes include elements like paragraphs, images, and headings. Understanding how these nodes relate to each other is key to controlling and changing web pages effectively. The parent node is like the head of a family. It contains other elements inside it. For example, a div element that wraps several paragraph tags is the parent of those paragraphs. Knowing the parent helps you find the container that holds specific parts of your web page. You can then change or move that container if needed. Child nodes are the members inside the parent. They can be other elements, text, or even other nodes. If you think of a list, each list item is a child of the list itself. Accessing child nodes allows you to target specific parts of a section. For example, you can loop through all list items to change their color or update their content. Child nodes are the building blocks you work with when you want to modify parts of a web page. Sibling nodes are like brothers and sisters in the family. They share the same parent and sit side by side in the DOM tree. For instance, multiple list items inside the same list are siblings. Knowing sibling relationships helps you move sideways across elements. If you want to add a new item next to an existing one, understanding sibling nodes makes this easy. These relationships are important because they make navigating the DOM simple and efficient. JavaScript provides tools like parentNode, children, nextSibling, and previousSibling. These let you move up, down, or sideways in the tree to find exactly what you need. This is especially useful when you want to change a specific element or add new ones. Targeted manipulation becomes straightforward when you understand these relationships. For example, you can change the style of all child elements inside a container or insert a new sibling element next to an existing one. This helps keep your web page organized and visually correct. Maintaining the structure of the web page is easier when you respect parent, child, and sibling relationships. If you change an element without considering these links, the layout might break or look strange. Proper understanding ensures your changes look natural and consistent. Event propagation is another reason these relationships matter. When a user clicks on an element, events can bubble up from the child to the parent. Knowing how nodes are connected helps you control how events are handled. You can decide whether an event should be caught at a certain level or passed along. In web development, mastering parent, child, and sibling nodes makes your code more powerful. You can find elements dynamically, change their content, add new parts, or remove old ones. These relationships form the backbone of DOM manipulation, making your web pages more interactive and responsive. Understanding these relationships is like having a map to navigate the complex structure of a web page. It helps you build better, more organized, and easier to manage websites.